Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called what if analysis used in various kinds of analysis. What will happen if toxic gases leak into a liquid pipeline? What if tank feed is increased or decreased? What if an earthquake occurs? Such question can be critical in reducing or eliminating risk to people working in a laboratory environment. A what if analysis consists of structured brainstorming to determine what can go wrong in a given scenario, then judge the likelihood and consequence that things will go wrong. What if analysis can be applied at virtually any point in laboratory evaluation process. Based on the answers to what if question, informed judgment can be made concerning the available acceptability of those risks. A course of action can be outlined for the risk deemed unacceptable. Following is a list of sample what if question to get your group thinking in the right direction. This question can be modified according to the experiment or the process. What if material used is too concentrated or diluted? What if the valve or stopcock does not open or close? What if power is lost? Consider automatic shut-off and emergency power. What if power is restored automatically after loss? Consider manual restart. What if there is a failure of equipment cooling? Consider alarms, automatic shut-offs and emergency shut-off procedures. In industry, we were also using something called FEMA, failure effect mode analysis. You can also use some simple tool available in Excel. In what if analysis, in the data tab, you can see a scenario manager, goal seek, and similar simple tools which can be used in the Excel. Thanks for watching. Bye.